Hi, second graders. I hear some of you are struggling with the contractions. So if you want to check your work, you can pull out your Sonday number 99 worksheet and take a look at these contractions. He would turns into he'd. We have becomes we've. She had becomes she'd. We will becomes we'll. She would, she'd. We are, we're. He will, he'll. Should have, should've. We would, we'd. He had, he'd. We had, we'd. And she will, she'll. If you need to pause this right now so my screen doesn't disappear, go ahead and hit pause because I'm going to now show you the bottom half. So then, if we come down here, it says we've been busy. You can look up top here and find we have and then write it out. We, find my pen, we have, ooh. And then you're going to write been busy, period. And make sure you have nice spaces and you have a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. Then if I scroll down to the next one, he'd, I can look up here again, find he'd, okay. Is it either he would or he had? Here's he had or he would. What makes sense in there? He would been busy or he had been busy. He would does not make sense, so I'm going to look and I'm going to go he, write out he had been busy. So I'm turning the contraction into, splitting apart into two words, okay? If I come down here, she'd like that becomes she would like that. We'll buy some breaks apart to we will buy some. We'd buy some turns into we would buy some. We're too busy. We are too busy. He'll run home. He will run home. She's at home. She is at home. They aren't at home. They are not at home. And they're not at home. They are not at home. It breaks apart too. So write all of those sentences out. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have questions on this or you need more help.